Hey guys, this is Devan. Let's discuss a basic scenario. Let's say we have a purchase order of X amount, and we want whenever a purchase order is raised into the system for more than X amount, there must be an approval by the manager. So how this scenario is can be handled in Odoo? Inayat will be guiding you guys.
हेलो गाइस। सबसे पहले हमें जाना है सेटिंग्स में। सेटिंग्स में हमको एक लिमिट देना है जो कि हमें अप्रूव के लिए रिस्ट्रिक्ट करना है। उसके बाद हमें एक परचेस ऑर्डर में उस वेंडर को पिक करना है, और अब जब हम उसको कंफर्म करेंगे देन अगर वो परचेस ऑर्डर से की लिमिट से ज़्यादा का अमाउंट इंटर करके और उसको कंफर्म करने के लिए जाएगा तो उसको एक अप्रूव की स्टेट में भेजा जाएगा। तो अप्रूव करने का और अप्रूव भेजने का दो अलग अलग ग्रुप्स हैं। अप्रूव करने के लिए हमको मैनेजर परचेस में एडमिन या मैनेजर का एक्सेस राइट देना होता है, और अप्रूव भेजने के लिए हमको यूज़र का एक्सेस देना होता है ताकि यूज़र अप्रूवल भेजे और मैनेजर उसको अप्रूव करे, देन इट विल बिकम परचेस ऑर्डर।
Let's see physical scenario in the system.
Let's see practical scenario in the system. Okay, so first go to the users, go to the setting, and here you can see the user. Click on the user. Here you can see three user. So first user is Abhi, and second is a Mark Demo, and third one is a admin. Okay, admin is my supervisor user, and all. Here you can see the Abhi. Abhi user means is the internal user who is create the purchase order. I'm showing here the access right, which is giving the access right here. So here you can see the purchase order. Here two axis right here. The one is the user and second is the administrator. User basically the internal user who is prepare the purchase order, and administrator axis then need to give who is the manager of the purchase team, like basically the SCM team. Okay, so let's start and set the user level is the purchase order is for this user Abhi, and administrator admin is a purchase order have access administrator. So I'm give the access first. After that go to the purchase module. Once I go to the purchase module, here you can see the configuration menu. So click on the configuration menu, click on the settings. Here you can see the purchase order approval. In the order approval, here you can see the minimum amount. I am setting here the minimum amount 1000. Once the user create the purchase order above the 1000 amount, so purchase order will ask the manager approval. Okay, so here I'm say update the amount, like I'm enter here the $300 for this user. Okay, 300 or 3000, sorry. Let's I'm going to create login first Abhi user. So let's Abhi user. So I'm logging with Abhi. Now click on the purchase. Abhi will prepare the RFQ. Once he's prepare the RFQ, after that send to the vendor. Once the send to vendor, vendor will give the price, what the price of the product and which date will become in this company. So I'm select here the product first. Basically I'm select only one product, and here by default is price is coming which basically कि जो प्रोडक्ट पहले परचेज किया गया जिस अमाउंट पे उस अमाउंट पे आ जाएगा बेस्ड ऑन द कॉस्टिंग. ओके, after that I'm going to confirm. So I'm set the 3000 unit price in the configuration. Now I'm going to confirm. Once I'm click on the confirm, purchase order going to the to approve stage. Here you can see that to approve purchase order is not completely done. Once the manager is not approved, is the valid or not, कि बेसिकली मैनेजर ये चेक करेगा कि परचेस ऑर्डर में जो अमाउंट है प्राइस पड़ा है कि इस प्राइस पे कंपनी खरीद सकती है कि नहीं, वैल्यूएबल है कि नहीं. अगर वैल्यूएबल है एंड देन मैनेजर विल अप्रूव द परचेस ऑर्डर विल कन्वर्ट टू RFQ, basically convert to purchase order. Okay, so this is the user menu screen. Now I'm going to log in with admin, basically the manager. Okay, so click on the purchase module. So here you can see the which is purchase order prepare the user by. So click on the purchase order. Here you can see the approve order. Okay, so let's manager will approve. Once the manager will approve, the receipt will generate here. Okay, So you can click on the receipt from here. So this detail will be so store manager basically. So store manager will approve, will validate the inventory. So जब स्टोर टीम वैलिडेट कर देगी इन्वेंट्री को, तो स्टॉक सिस्टम में अपने स्टॉक अपनी कंपनी में आ जाएगा, डेपो में आ जाएगा बेसिकली. ओके, सो नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू कंफर्म, validate. So one unit will come in the system inventory. Okay, so this is the basic scenario in this module. So if you want to open the what the quantity and purchase for this product, you can click on the product, and here you can see the on hand quantity. So here you can see the input location and purchase one quantity for this product. If you want to see the history of this product, every history, you click on the history. Here you can see and prepare the one purchase order for this vendor. Okay, one quantity. So if you have any question, you please comment down in my video section. So thank you.